Let us continue with the numericals. The fourth question is, a concave lens has focal length of 15 centimeters. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image of 10 centimeters from the lens? Also find the magnification produced by the lens. Given is a concave lens. Focal length of the concave lens is 15 centimeters. As per the sign conventions, focal length of concave lens is negative, so f will be minus 15. Now we have to find out at what distance should the object from the lens be placed. So object distance, at what distance should the object be kept from the lens so that the image is formed at a distance of 10 centimeters from the lens. So image distance V is equal to 10 centimeters. Now in case of concave lens, the image is always formed on the left hand side of the lens because the image is always virtual and erect. So since the image in concave lens is formed on the left side of the lens, V will be is equal to minus 10 centimeters. Okay, so we have to find out U and we have to find out the magnification which is produced by the lens. So M is equal to question mark. We apply the lens formula, 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. 1 by V is minus 10 minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 by F is minus 15. So minus 1 upon U will be is equal to, I'll take the negative sign in the numerator, minus 1 upon 15 and minus 1 upon 10 will be shifted on the right hand side to get plus 1 upon 10. So in case if I want to remove the minus sign from 1 by U, I have to multiply by minus 1 on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So if we multiply by minus 1, we get 1 by U is equal to plus 1 upon 15. Minus into minus will become plus, minus into minus will become plus, minus into plus will become minus. Okay. So now 1 upon U. As I told you, I will always prefer the LCM method. I will take the LCM of 15 and 10. So multiplying by minus 1, I am writing down the step once again. 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon 15 minus 1 upon 10. So I will take the LCM of 15 and 10. 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. 3 1s are 3, 2 and 2 1s are 2. So 5 3s are 15 and 15 2s are 30 will be the LCM. Okay, so the LCM is equal to 30. So 1 upon U is equal to 15. What is the LCM? 30. So 15 into 2 is 30. Minus 1 upon 10. 10 3s are 30. So you are also multiplied by 3. Now 1 upon U is equal to 2 upon 30 minus 3 upon 30. So 1 upon U will be is equal to 2 minus 3 upon 30. So 1 upon U is equal to minus 1 upon 30. Take the invertendo, U is equal to minus 30 centimeters. So at what distance is the object kept from the lens? The object is kept at a distance of 30 centimeters from the lens, and negative sign of U as it is, you already know that the object is placed on the left hand side of the lens. So what will you write? U is equal to minus 30. The object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeters from the lens. Next is we have to find out magnification. What is the formula of magnification? M is equal to H2 upon H1 is equal to V upon U. So I can directly take V upon U. I don't know H2, I don't know H1. So magnification is equal to V upon U, which is equal to, how much is V now? V is minus 10 upon U is minus 30. So minus minus will get cancelled. Magnification is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means 3 3s are 9, 0.33. There is no unit for magnification. So what does it indicate? Positive sign of magnification indicates that the image is virtual and erect. So positive sign of magnification indicates that the image is erect and virtual. Question number 5. This is a textual question. An object kept 60 centimeters from a lens. Object is kept at a distance of 60 centimeters from the lens. That means object distance is 60 centimeters. As the object is kept on the left hand side of the lens, by default u will be is equal to minus 60. The object gives a virtual image. A virtual image is always formed on the left hand side of the lens, and the image is formed at a distance of 20 centimeters. Do not get confused by the word in front of the lens, not on the other side of the lens. A virtual image is always formed on the left hand side of the lens. So the image is formed at a distance of 20 centimeters in front of the lens. A virtual image is always formed on the left hand side. Therefore here V is equal to minus 20 centimeters. What is the focal length of the lens? F is equal to question mark. And is it a converging lens or a diverging lens? If F is positive, that means it's a converging lens or a convex lens. If F is negative, it is a diverging lens or a concave lens. So the value of F, whether positive or negative, will decide whether the lens is a converging or a diverging lens. So let us apply the lens formula. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So 1 upon V is 1 upon minus 20 minus 1 upon U is 1 upon minus 60 is equal to 1 upon F. Okay. So let me take the negative sign in the numerator. So minus 1 by 20. Now this minus into minus will become plus 1 upon 60 is equal to 1 upon F. That means 1 upon F is equal to minus 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 60. No signs will change. Both the sides are interchanged. I brought 1 by F on the left hand side and minus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60 I took it on the left hand side. So no sign change will take place. As I told you, if you can do it directly, well and good. Otherwise, please use the LCM method. 20 ones are 23 is a 60, 3 ones are 3. So the LCM is 60. 23 is will be is equal to 60 is the LCM. So 1 by F is equal to minus 1 upon 20. 23 is a 60 because LCM is 60 into 3 plus 1 upon 60. 60 ones are 60, so into 1. So 1 upon F is equal to minus 3 upon 60 plus 1 upon 60. So 1 upon F is equal to common numerator minus 1 plus 3 upon 60. 1 upon F is equal to minus 3 plus 1 will be minus 2 upon 60. So 1 upon F is equal to minus 2 upon 60. Let me take the inverted law. So F is equal to minus 60 upon 2. 30s are. So F is equal to minus 30 centimeters. What does the negative sign of F indicate? Focal length is negative. It means that the lens is a converging or a diverging lens. Yes. The given length, the negative sign of focal length indicates that the given lens is a converging or a diverging lens, or a concave lens. Sixth question. A 2 centimeter tall object. Tall means height of the object. So given height of the object is denoted by H1. The height of the object is 2 centimeters. Is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens. The lens is a convex lens. Of focal length 10 centimeters. Focal length of convex lens is positive by sign convention. The distance of the object from the lens. Distance of object. So object distance is 15 centimeters. Please do remember that U is always negative. Find the nature. Nature means whether real or virtual. Position of the image. As well as that is where V will be formed. Okay, that is you have to calculate V. And size of the image, that is H2. And magnification means M. That is we have to find out 3 things. One is position, size of the image, and the magnification produced by the image. Also the nature of the image that we will get from the value of V and also H2. Okay, whether the image will be real or virtual. Okay, so we apply the lens formula. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Put the values 1 by V minus 1 upon U. U is minus 15 is equal to 1 upon F is 10. Right. So 1 upon V minus into minus will become plus 1 upon 15 is equal to 1 upon 10. So now 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15 will be shifted on the right hand side. It becomes minus 1 upon 15. Once again 10 and 15 LCM. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, and 3 1s are 3. So what is LCM? 5 2s are 10 and 10 3s are 30 is the LCM. So our denominator should be 30. 1 by V is equal to 1 by 10. 10 3s are 30 into 3 minus 1 by 15. 15 2s are 30. So numerator also will be multiplied by 2. So 1 upon V is equal to 3 upon 30 minus 2 upon 30. So 1 upon V is equal to 3 minus 2 upon 30. So 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon 30. Take invertendo, V is equal to 30 centimeters. What does positive sign of V indicate? That the image is formed on the right hand side of the lens. So positive sign, or you can say that the image is formed at a distance of 30 centimeters on the right side of the lens. Now let us calculate H2. So we'll take the formula of magnification. M is equal to H2 upon H1 is equal to V upon U. So let's take first H2 upon H1 is equal to V upon U, and then we will move on to magnification. So H2, I have to calculate H2 upon H1 is 2 centimeters is equal to V, I got 30, and how much is U? Minus 15. Right, U is minus 15. So H2 into minus 15 will be is equal to 30 into 2. So H2 will be is equal to 30 into 2 divided by minus 15. So 15 2s are 30. So H2 is equal to 2 2s are 4. So minus 4. Height of the image is minus 4 centimeter. Now what does the negative sign indicate? The negative sign indicates that the image is formed below the principal axis. And if the image is formed below the principal axis, it means that the image will be real and inverted, isn't it? So the negative sign, also we have to calculate the magnification. Okay, we'll write it after calculating the magnification. So I can use any one formula for magnification now. Magnification is equal to H2 upon H1. How much is H2? Minus 4. How much is H1? 2. So magnification is equal to minus 2. Also we have studied that negative value of magnification indicates that the image is real and inverted. If M would have been positive, then the image would have been virtual and erect. But M is negative. That means the image is real and inverted.